1,618 languages, 6,400 castes, 6 major religions, 6 ethnic groups, 1 country. This shows that despite having diverse culture, traditions, languages and religions, we stand together as one. This shows our unity in diversity and we are proud that we are Indians. A very good morning to everyone. Today is a crucial day for our country because it marks the completion of 74 years of independence. It was a novelty in Indian history when the country got her freedom on August 15, 1947.
But we all know this freedom is arduous. It took approximately 190 years of incomparable sacrifices made and the hardships and struggles that our ancestors went through that we are able to celebrate this day as a free nation. We should not allow those difficult times and struggles to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same.
On this patriotic occasion, we, the students of the Millennium School, Sector 109, are celebrating the 75th Independence Day with high spirit and somber mood. We are here to herald the colorful spectacles of India's vision through our performances. So I, Almir, and my friends, Ashi, Tanvi, and Varansh, welcome you all for this special assignment. Today, we have got together to paint the universe in the colors of unity, peace, and hope.
Before we start with the celebration, I request our beloved principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, and all the representatives of classes to please come forward and light the lamps, the symbol of positivity, wisdom, and knowledge.
Thank you everyone.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. I would like to call upon our honorable principal ma'am to hoist the national flag, symbol of our national pride and identity. The tricolor flutters valiantly. The three colors on our national flag, saffron, white and green, symbolizes the sacrifice of the millions who died fighting for it and the peace and prosperity that prevails in our nation. It reminds us of our responsibility that we have towards our nation.
I would now like to invite our respected principal ma'am to please enlighten the students.
Good morning everyone. dear students, parents, and my dear team members. What a momentous year it has been, right from our soldiers to the sports person and women. All of them have made us proud. The entire world was thinking that for past 18 months, India is going to be only busy with the wars across the border, but thanks to our brave soldiers, shoulder to shoulder in the most inclement weather, and that too in the most inhospitable terrains, right from Kashmir to Arunachal, they have kept us safe. If we talk of the Olympics, the recent Tokyo Olympics is in air all the way around, and believe me that whenever the Olympics are commencing, we Indians as nation and the world across have been skeptical, because year after year our big fear has been that even though we have got overwhelming numbers, but we can't turn them into a handful of medal winners. But once again, the Indian players, the Indian athlete have proved that we were wrong. Now the time is changing. We have heralded the change of age, and we are stepping firmly in the arena of sports. And that is what Neeraj Chopra has proved. And with the other medal tallies, if you look at, we have got 7 medals in the Olympics, and that too in different sports. And the sports wherein these sportsmen have shown their mettle with the kind of challenges and the backgrounds they come from. If we talk further about of COVID-19, which has taken on toll in every walk of our life as Indians, once again we have proven our mental, our resilience and our will to conquer over any kind of challenges which come all through our way. Though we have, despite of our handicaps, but the way we have borne the brunt of this COVID-19 and came out so successfully and admirably that the rest of the globe is looking up at us, whether it comes to the vaccinations and the way things have been dealt with large number of people in this country. So all these things really make us feel proud on this 75th Independence Day of the country. Dear children, don't you take the pride to be an Indian? So let's observe a minute's silence to pay homage to those martyrs who have sacrificed and laid their lives just to give us this freedom to live for. And we are really proud of this. And on this auspicious day, I want each one of us to take this vow that we are going to contribute whatever is best possible in our domains to do best for the country. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious and motivational words. And definitely, we will try to implement the same, what you have said, in our lives and society.
Let us now welcome our choir group to create an ambience of patriotism with their mellifluous songs.
Jawano
Classical, who are here to present an energetic and spectacular performance.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से झलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Indeed, a dazzling presentation that touched everyone's hearts. After this scintillating performance, we should proceed to an exhilarating performance by our Western Music Choir.
God of nations, hear
of music with song. Let us now present a patriotic play with booming applause.
छंदू, तू और पूजा पाठ, और भला ये कौन सी देवी है? ये माँ है। देवी तो सभी माँ होती हैं, ये कौन सी माँ है? दुर्गा माँ, काली माँ? ये मेरी माँ है, लक्ष्मी बाई। पर तेरी माई तो मैं हूँ। हाँ माई, तू है तभी तो छंदू है। ये तो झांसी की रानी है, जो महलों में रहकर रानियों की तरह ऐश्वर्या नहीं भोगा। ये रानी नहीं, पूरे झांसी की माई है। इनमें मैं भारत माई देखता हूँ। धन्य हूँ मैं, तू मेरा पूत है, भारत का सपूत है।
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रुकुटी तानी थी। बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी। गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी। दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी।
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
उस जवान के शरीर पर लकड़ी की छड़ी के वार हो रहे थे। पीठ खून से लथपथ हो गई थी। हर वार में खून की बूंदें उड़ रही थी और उसके मुंह से एक ही बात निकल रही थी।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
बेटा कहाँ गए तेरा?
जेल। वंदे मातरम।
नाम क्या है?
आजाद। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
असली नाम बता।
अब से यही मेरा असली नाम है।
रुक।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
दर्द हो रहा है मेरे लाल?
हाँ, बहुत असहनीय दर्द हो रहा है माँ। पराधीनता का दर्द, गुलामी का दर्द।
धन्य हो मेरे लाल, तुम जैसा एक भी सपूत झांसी में होता तो मुझे अपने नन्हे से बालक को पीठ पे बांधकर जंग में न जाना पड़ता।
वो नन्हा बच्चा मैं ही हूँ माँ। तेरा आजाद तेरे बलिदान को व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देगा माँ। एक बात बताऊँ माई?
हाँ बताओ आजाद।
तेरा चंदू अकेला नहीं है, ऐसे और भी लोग हैं जो तेरी मौत का बदला लेने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं।
वो कौन है, नाम तो बताओ।
भगत सिंह, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, सुखदेव, राजगुरु, अशफाकुल्ला खान।
जिन वीरों ने राष्ट्र तिरंगा भारत पर लहराया, हृदय में ठहराया इन्होंने कुछ भी देख ना पाया। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी।
ये क्या कर रहे हो चंदू? बीज डालने के लिए इतनी मिट्टी नहीं हटाते।
लेकिन पिताजी, मिट्टी में ही तो बीज पनपता है।
अरे अरे, ये खिलौने क्यों गाड़ रहे हो मिट्टी में?
बंदूकें बो रहा हूँ पिताजी, खूब सारी बंदूकें उगेंगी।
और उससे क्या होगा?
अंग्रेजों से लड़ूंगा, भारत माता को आजाद कराऊंगा।
लेकिन ये बंदूक तो नकली है।
अरे वो तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं। तो पिताजी, आप मुझे अपनी पिस्तौल लाके दे दीजिए। आप तो सिपाही हैं, अपनी बंदूक दे दीजिए।
बच्चे बंदूक से नहीं खेलते, असली बंदूक से तो कभी नहीं।
नहीं नहीं, मुझे बंदूक चाहिए, असली वाली लाके दो।
नहीं, कल तुमने मेरा नाम लेकर बगीचे के चौकीदार से आम मांगा था ना, यह कहकर कि मेरे पिताजी सिपाही हैं।
अरे चंदू रुको, सुनो तो। अरे तुम भी क्या छोटे छोटे बात में चंदू को थप्पड़ मारते रहते हो? अरे चंदू रुको, सुनो तो।
हाय रे, कितनी अभागी माँ हूँ। एक बार फिर मेरी गोद से तीन सपूत एक साथ शहीद हो गए। भगत, राज, सुखी, अशफाक और बिस्मिल तो पहले ही बलिदान दे चुके हैं।
मत रो माँ, मैं अभी जिंदा हूँ। तेरे वीर पुत्रों की शहादत बेकार जाने नहीं दूंगा।
माँ भारती आजाद होंगी, तेरा ये पुत्र नहीं मरेगा। जब तक मेरी पिस्तौल में गोलियां हैं, दुश्मन मुझे छू भी नहीं सकता। फिर मिलता हूँ माँ, दुश्मन मेरे पीछे लगे हैं।
Take the gun. Check the hand.
बचपन और जवानी दोनों लुटा गए आजाद भगत अशफाकुल्लाह राजगुरु। सुखी बिस्मिल पूजे भारत, सुखी बिस्मिल पूजे भारत, सुखी बिस्मिल पूजे भारत।
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती। बेलों के गले में जब घुंघरू जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं, जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं। गमों से दूर हो जाता है, खुशियों के कमल मुस्कुराते हैं, खुशियों के कमल मुस्कुराते हैं। सुन के रात की आवाज़ें, सुन के रात की आवाज़ें, यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे, यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे। आते ही मस्त बहारों के दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे, दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती। Thank you so much, my dear teachers. It was an exquisite performance. Now, hold your breath, everyone, for a performance that will draw the strings of our hearts and bring solace to our minds.
is full of diamonds and gems, and we have some of them here today. With this note, I would like to request our beloved Principal Ma'am to kindly felicitate TMS 119 achievers.
To the felicitation ceremony of the Millennium School Noida, Sector 119. This is a much-awaited day in every student's life. And now, I would like to request our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Savita Chadha, to kindly start with the felicitation. Now, I would like to call our budding Ramanujan, Jaswant Mitra, from grade 3. He is the first runner-up in All India Arithmetic Genius Contest. I would like to call upon our very own Aryabhatta, Rehan Hussain from grade 3 for performance award in North Region in All India Arithmetic Genius Contest. Our very own Derek O'Brien, Dishita Garg of grade 4. She has won the international rank in General Knowledge Olympiad.
Wow. So heartiest congratulations. We need more students like you nowadays. GK is something.
Now, I would like to call upon our very own Stephen Hawking, song number 9 from grade 5th for his prodigious achievement in many fields.
Last year also you were there. This is the second year in a row. So you have to make a happy picnic. Okay? Heartiest congratulations. 2 more medals to go. Great. Right? Congratulations.
She has won the international rank in selfie and the medal of distinction in International Maths Olympiad.
Wow.
Our budding Pranay Roy, Adab Tripathi of grade 9 for his phenomenal and prodigious achievements. He has won the international rank in VTM state level examination. He has also been awarded the 4th Best Speaker Award in South Indian round of NS 2019 held at the Heritage School. And also he has been awarded as the Best Speaker in the LUN hosted by the Sector 41 Noida.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our chief guest for today's event, Commodore Rajneesh Kumar Verma. Commodore Rajneesh Kumar Verma joined the Indian Navy in the year 1985 as a cadet and was commissioned in the year 1988. He is an alumnus of the Naval College of Engineering, Lonavala, with a BTech in Electrical Engineering and a Master's in Defense and Strategic Studies from Madras University. Commodore Rajneesh Kumar Verma has served in 5 different warships and has held important appointments ashore in the Naval Dockyard, Mumbai, and Naval Headquarters at New Delhi. He has a vast experience in weapon systems and development of marine infrastructure. He is currently appointed as the Senior Deputy Director General of Naval Projects in Mumbai.
The principal, students, parents, and staff of the Millennium School, Sector 119 Noida. It gives me great pleasure to be part of 75th Annual Independence Day celebration with you all. I'm aware that your school is one of the most sought after schools in Delhi NCR, especially in terms of innovative teaching pedagogies, thinking out of the box methodologies, usage of technology, and amalgamation of performing arts into education. Recently, on the 26th of July, we celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas. Today, I will endeavour to give you a glimpse of the role that the Indian Navy played in the Kargil conflict, which was called Operation Vijay. The Navy on its part launched Operation Talwar with warships from the Eastern Fleet based at Visakhapatnam and Mumbai-based Western Fleet joining to form a task force. The primary aim of this naval force was to carry out a blockade of Karachi harbour. The Indian Navy effectively controlled large part of northern Arabian Sea by deploying our own warships in a large number spread all over the region. This ensured the denial of the use of the sea to the Pakistani warships and their merchant marine, thereby blockading the sea route to Karachi harbour. It is well known that logistics plays a very deciding role in any conflict. So, by deterring the merchant ships from plying to Karachi with supplies, mainly the oil, the Indian Navy choked Pakistan of its energy requirements. This turned out to be a crucial factor in termination of the war, as Pakistan was left only with 6 days of oil reserve to continue with the war. So, what is the relevance of remembering the Kargil conflict today? Let's be clear, we still need to be vigilant on our borders at all times. Who can forget the Galwan conflict with the Chinese barely an year ago? Only due to the heroics of Colonel Babu and his brave hearts who laid down their lives were we able to push back the much larger number of Chinese troops. Therefore, it is necessary for India to have a strong army, a strong navy and a strong air force. We need these services to be manned by the best and the brightest men and women of our country. I would like to urge you brilliant children of this school to join the armed forces and lead from the front. It is our duty as citizens to be together and keep our country strong. Each and every one of us should contribute towards nation building in our own ways, in whichever sphere of life we may be. Before I end, I would like to place on record my deep appreciation for the effort put in by the children in presenting a patriotic themed entertainment program so beautifully. Congratulations to all participants and the prize winners. My sincere thanks to the principal for inviting me. Thank you very much all in your future endeavors. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much and congratulations everyone. Now, I take this opportunity to thank our respected principal ma'am, coordinators and all the teachers for gracing this occasion with their presence. I would also like to thank our music, dance and theatre teachers for their continuous guidance in putting up this show.
As we have approached to the end of our program, on this fortuitous occasion, let's all take a moment to ponder and think and ask ourselves what we can do for our country instead of asking what our country can do for us. Let's together march a step forward for a better society. With this, I thank everyone for joining us. Once again, a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.